Hi, welcome to Grow to Succeed. Today, let me share a formula to handle failure. Remember, failure is a natural part of life and success. It's okay to fail because it teaches us important lessons. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it gracefully and learn from it. Keep striving until you achieve your goals, knowing that each setback makes you stronger and wiser. Handling failure is an important skill everyone should learn. Here is a formula that will help you handle failures. The formula is failure. Failure. F stands for face reality. Acknowledge and accept the reality of the situation. Understand that failure is a natural part of life and doesn't define your worth as a person. A stands for assess. Take a step back and assess what went wrong. Identify the factors that contributed to the failure and reflect on the lessons learned from the experience. I stands for initiate positive action. Instead of dwelling on the failure, focus on what you can do to move forward. Take proactive steps to address any mistakes or shortcomings and develop a plan for improvement. L stands for learn and adapt. Use failure as an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace the lessons learned from the experience and apply them to future onwards. Adapt your strategies and approaches based on your newfound insights. U stands for understand emotions. Allow yourself to feel and process the emotions associated with failure, whether it's disappointment, frustration, or sadness. But don't let these emotions consume you. Use them as fuel to drive your determination and resilience. R stands for reframe mindset. Shift your mindset from viewing failure as a setback to seeing it as a stepping stone to success. Understand that every failure brings you one step closer to your goals and strengthens your resilience and determination. E stands for embrace resilience. Cultivate resilience in the face of failure. Develop the ability to bounce back from setbacks stronger and more determined than ever before. Remember that failure is not the end of the road, but rather a detour on the path to success. Finally, stay persistent. Stay persistent in the pursuit of your goals despite encountering failure along the way. Maintain your focus, determination, and belief in yourself, knowing that success often comes to those who persevere through adversity. Finally, by following this formula, you can effectively handle failure, learn from your experiences, and emerge stronger and more resilient than ever before. Failure is not the opposite of success, but rather a stepping stone on the journey towards it. So, thank you so much for joining with me today, and I wish you all the very best in handling the failure by following this amazing formula. With this, you take care, stay safe, and bye for now.